కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ద్వారా అమలవుతున్న అనేక ముఖ్య పథకాలు మరియు కార్యక్రమాలు గురించి పౌరులకు తెలియం చేయడం, అర్హులైన ప్రజలు ఆ పథకాల లబ్ధి పొందేలా సాధికారత కల్పించడం, ప్రజలకు మరింత చేరువగా వెళ్ళి ఈ పథకాల గురించి అవగాహన కల్పించే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ వికసిత్ భారత్ సంకల్ప యాత్ర కార్యక్రమం చేపట్టిన విషయం మీ అందరికీ తెలిసినదే. The Government of India, with participation of states and union territories, is actively engaged in the mission of saturation through its flagship schemes for providing basic amenities like sanitation facilities, essential financial services, access to LPG connections, housing for the poor, food security, proper nutrition, reliable health care, clean drinking water, quality education, etc., and making required services accessible to all targeted and eligible beneficiaries. Another step in this is to ensure awareness of benefits and saturation basis include Ayushman Bharat Yojana, PM Awas Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, PM Poshan Abhiyan, Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana, PM Ujjwala Yojana, PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana, PM Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana. These are among several welfare schemes that have been made available by the Government of India for the benefit of eligible beneficiaries. Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra campaign has been launched by adopting a whole of government approach with the active participation of various ministries and departments of Government of India, state governments, central government organizations and institutions to ensure the widest possible participation of all stakeholders for the benefit of citizens of the country and to realize the vision of Viksit Bharat. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has often said that the next 25 years extending to 2047, marking the centenary of India's independence, will be known as Amrit Kal, and the decisions and actions undertaken during this period will have a profound and lasting impact on the future millennium. The goal of Amrit Kal is to ascend to new heights of prosperity for India and its citizens. Amrit Kal aims to improve the lives of Indians and bridge the gap in development between villages and cities. The Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra is targeted to ensure that the benefits of all the welfare schemes reach up to the people of the last mile and no eligible person in the country is left out of the journey of development.